Hey guys, I don't know where to look, but today I am making a dollar store melt and pour candle using all dollar store items. My dog's upstairs barking, my kitchen's a mess, but I think I have too much lighting going on. I have no clue what's happening, but stay tuned. I got this idea from another YouTuber, which I will link her video below. Hoping that mine turns out just as good. I was gonna go swimming, but you know, why not make a candle instead? So, keep watching. Okay, for this you are going to need Fruit Loops. I got 2 packages and I got these at the dollar store. Twine, they usually have it at the dollar store, but I found this at Walmart. I already had these in my stash. I always have these wooden craft sticks for everything. I got 2 of these apple cinnamon essential oil or fragrance oil. Sorry. Got 2 of them. You know, they're not that strong, but like I said, everything's going to be from the dollar store. And I found 1, 2, 3 of those, and I found these right where you check out. And then I found these coffee mugs, which you could really eat cereal out of. You following me? Okay, I got 2 of them. Oh, I also got another essential oil because I wasn't sure that the scent would be strong enough. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 white ones, 2 red ones, because I don't want a real red hue. So I'm going to mix the red and the yellow. And I got spoons, and I'll tell you what that's going to be for. And these little tags. I wanted to find the littler ones. Oh my god. The smaller ones, but I only found these, but that'll work. So I'm going to first start off by melting these in for 20 minutes in 300 degrees. So the first thing you're going to do is line your pan with tin foil. And as I said before, you're going to put this in your oven for 20 minutes at 300 degrees. Here they are, and they will go down substantially. You will see that they will not be filled. And that there's a reason for that, but I don't recall. Here we go. Okay, so these are done, and they're very hot. And I'm going to take out the wicks. Whoops. As best I can. And I'm going to be saving them so I don't have to buy them. We're going to reuse them for our new candles. So I'm going to be doing this for the next few minutes, but I have only one hand, so I got to do this off camera. Okay, all my wicks are out. One seemed to have lost its base, but no problem. All right, you see how much melted? Now I'm going to add my fragrances. Okay, so UPS guy was just here. Yeah, so I'm putting the whole bottle in because these are very, very light fragrances. And then I'm going to add a tab of the red. So I just poured some of that in there, and I used my 2 popsicle sticks to keep my wick in place, and I will do the same for the rest. Okay guys, I put a spoon in and I did the same thing, but my husband called in the middle and I was afraid that the wax would melt, and it is already started. So now I'm going to add my Fruit Loops. Okay, once they are dry, which they are not now, I would cut about 1 inch off my wick. Okay, and this is how this looks. I've added some twine to go around, and it came out a beautiful pink. I wanted it to look like pink strawberry milk, and I used that strawberry, what do you call it? The strawberry scents to put in this stuff. Strawberry ice cream. And the little Fruit Loops do not come out at all. And this is more for decoration than for actually lighting, but you can light them. And as as the wax starts to melt more, these will go down, so they won't catch fire. And if they do, just put, never leave a candle unattended. I never do. Isn't it cute? I didn't put anything here because I have a chalk marker, but I'm not going to write anything quite yet. But this is so stinking adorable. All right, now on to my next ones. Okay, so this is how these look. Some came out redder than the others, but it all depends on how much red I put in of the red candle and how much of the clear. So I cut off the wicks. Also, I forgot to mention, I took off the rubber thing that comes over here on these because they are flammable, and I didn't want that to melt, and you know, you don't want plastic, burning plastic in the air. So when these go on, they're not going to be as snug, but who cares, because no one ever, I mean, you only do that when you're not using it. Now I'm going to put my twine around it. And this is how they came out. I am so in love with these. These are so stinking adorable. And, you know, I still have to cut a little bit of the frays from the twine, but they came out really pretty, and they even look pretty when you put that on top. I might spray paint these like, I don't know, like a different color, maybe something a little bit Christmassy, I don't know, or maybe just leave them alone. This was just a tester to see, and these are so cute. They make great gifts using all dollar store items, all handmade, and, well, repurposed. And I had no, sometimes you can get like a sinkhole in there, but that didn't happen to me. I ended up putting them in the refrigerator. So thanks for watching, and I think that now I have enough candles in my home, and these are great for gift giving around the holidays. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.